94 square meter plot of land, they built a house that redefines the traditional layout. Narrow but long, the structure stretches 4.4 meters wide, with one side extending 19 meters and the other reaching 23 meters. Yet, it's not the dimensions that make this home unique. It's the absence of a living room. The couple envisioned their home not as a place for socializing, but as a personal haven, where the outside world would fade away. Upon entering the house, visitors are immediately greeted by the kitchen, the beating heart of the home. Unlike conventional designs where the living room serves as the main gathering space, here the kitchen takes center stage. Spanning more than 20 square meters, it occupies the largest portion of the home, reflecting the couple's love for cooking and intimate moments spent preparing meals together. This deliberate choice symbolizes their desire to focus on family life and personal well-being over entertaining guests. Three gardens punctuate the length of the house, allowing every room to have direct access to greenery. The first garden, located at the front, doubles as a parking space and serves as a protective buffer against the noise and dust of the street. With this garden acting as a barrier, the home feels insulated from the hectic world outside, offering the peace and quiet the couple craves after long days at work. Moving further into the house, a second garden lies at its core. This garden enhances air circulation, ensuring a constant flow of fresh air, while also serving as a visual connection between the kitchen and the bedroom. The open space brings a sense of calm and tranquility, allowing light to filter through and creating a harmonious atmosphere. It is more than just a patch of greenery. It is a vital element of the home's design, enriching the living experience by providing a retreat within a retreat. The final green space is the backyard, where the couple's vision of relaxation truly comes to life. Adjacent to the bedroom and bathroom, the backyard features a large pond, surrounded by lush plants and trees. Here, the homeowners can unwind, watching the sunlight reflect off the water's surface or simply soaking in the natural beauty around them. The backyard offers a seamless blend of indoor and outdoor living, with the bathroom opening up to an outdoor bath area. The steam rising from the pond cools the air, adding a refreshing element to the home's natural cooling system. For the couple, this backyard oasis is more than just a picturesque view. It is a place of rejuvenation. After a long day, they can sit by the pond, listen to the rustle of the leaves, or take an outdoor bath, letting the stresses of the day melt away. The proximity of nature to the most private spaces in the house fosters a deep connection with the environment, grounding the homeowners in the simple pleasures of life. In designing this home, the architects at Boom Design Office honored the couple's desire for privacy, simplicity, and a strong connection to nature. By forgoing the traditional living room, they created a space that reflects the couple's personal values, prioritizing rest, relaxation, and family time. Each garden, thoughtfully placed, transforms the house into a sanctuary, where the lines between inside and outside blur, and where peace can be found in every corner. The Three Green Spaces house stands as a testament to the power of thoughtful design, turning a narrow plot of land into a spacious, light-filled home. It offers an escape from the urban chaos while providing an intimate, nature-filled environment for the couple to enjoy for years to come.